Hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm starting a video series where I'm going to talk about how to master your public speaking. Communicating a message and being able to convey it to a large audience is definitely not a piece of cake. So in this series, this week, I am discussing how to deliver a speech flawlessly. So let's get started. So there are two parts when you are preparing to give a speech. The part number one preparation that goes into is before you actually deliver a speech. So there are some points on how to prepare yourself. Point number one is the structure of your speech. So just like any movie or book that you read, even your speech has to have a structure. There are going to be three parts in your speech. Number one is going to be introduction, then is going to be the body of the speech, and then is going to be the summary. The introduction part is supposed to be very interesting because this is how you bring the interest of your audience. So you can either start with a story. The number two part and the most important part is the body of your speech. This is the main content that you're going to deliver, so it has to be really powerful. And the last but the most important one is the summary. Summary, your audience always remember will have a very short-term memory. And to make them remember what you said, you can keep a gist of what you have spoken about. So these 3 points are important. Of course, chronology समझ ली है आपने, तो अब हम आते हैं next part पे. Here we are discussing outline and focus on the key points. So when you deliver a speech, you might not necessarily have a guide or help for you so you can memorize the points. So it's always better that you have some key points in your mind. You can outline them. You can go in bullet points so that even your audience is attentive. Always keep your speech very simple and to the point. Point number 3 is take deliberate pauses. So if you have ever been an audience to, stand-up comedy scenes, gigs like these, you must have observed that they take pauses at the right time where they're creating a suspense or they're coming up something interesting. So in the similar manner, when you are delivering a speech and it could be something technical or non-technical, try to pause so that you can understand what your audience is getting. Point number 4 is rehearse. Yes. Practice is very important since you're going to go up there, face a large audience. So the more you practice, the more clarity of thoughts you will have in your mind. So the mirror will be your best friend in this case. Practice in front of a mirror. You'll be able to see how you look while you're talking. And you can even record your speech so that, you know how you are talking. Just make sure you work on your rate of speech. कुछ लोग बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी पिकअप करते हैं और स्पीकर क्या बोल रहा है, कुछ लोग थोड़े स्लो होते हैं, उन्हें टाइम लगता है. सो यू हैव टू वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एवरेज ऑडियंस, नाइदर टू फास्ट नाइदर टू स्लो. सो वर्क ऑन दीज पॉइंट्स बिफोर यू एक्चुअली डिलीवर द. So the next part in your speech delivery is the actual delivery of the speech on the stage. So how do you go about this? In this segment, you focus on number 1 is your body language and your hand movements. So I remember when I was training for one of my first jobs, one of our trainer told us that if you're nervous, why don't you start walking on the stage? But make sure your walk should not appear like that of a robot. Just keep it, with comfort of your audience. Point number 2 is engage your audience. So in case you are giving a long presentation or you're delivering a speech on a topic that could bore the audience, you think so. So what you can do is you can involve your audience. This is going to bring them more attentive to your speech. You can start by asking them question. In that question, you can ask them to raise their hands or vote for a particular point. In a lot of gatherings, they give the audience a yes or no card. So you can ask them to raise a yes or no depending on the kind of question that you are posing. So all these things will depend on the kind of speech, the topic that you are taking, where you are talking. Okay. Apart from these, some very basic points that we have to follow general on purpose. Just be confident, be yourself, naturally go out there. Don't appear very scripted. Talk to your audience. Be well prepared, give out relevant, updated information so that even your audience has interest in what you are talking about. And don't forget to smile because it gives out cordial vibes. So I hope you like these points, and next time you go up there and making a speech, you follow these points. Do mention to me what are the other topics you would want me to make the video on. Also, I'm going to attach the detail of this set that I've just talked about in the description box. I'm going to link my blog to you. You can also subscribe and follow my blog on curlskeep.com. And next week, I'm going to talk about how to give that PowerPoint presentation effectively. So stay tuned, and until then, keep subscribing and following my channel, Curl Speak.